Charlie. Hi, Charlie.
My mom's mad at me because she let me out to go to the bathroom and instead I caught a bird and threw it up in the air like an orca killing a seal, and then I rolled around on its dead body to get the smell of dead bird all over me, and then I wouldn't let her take the bird from me for 45 minutes and she cried and called my dad. I finally let it go, and now every time I go outside my mom screams so the birds have a chance to live and not get murdered by me in front of their whole family.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
Can someone tell me why when I look at pictures of babies, I'm just like, yeah, whatever, meh, it's a baby. But then sometimes when I look at my cat, I literally want to burst into tears because he's so stinking cute. I saw this thing on TikTok that said if you brush your cat with a damp toothbrush, it reminds them of being groomed by their mothers when they were kittens. So my cat hates being brushed, so I figured I would try it.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable.
Quieto, 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 quieto. Búscalo. Muy bien.
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Good boy. Sully, where are you taking it? Where are you taking that? No, you're not taking your food outside. No, not outside. Put it down. Thank you.
I'm gonna go to sleep now. Sweet dream. Good night.
Has to decide between being as close to me as he possibly can or getting up and moving to one of the couches or beds or even the chair like this that has a blanket on it. Petey tries to get a little more comfortable. Buddy, you're really going to need to move if you want to be comfortable.
I really don't. No, you don't put me in this water. Check out, I'm seeing you.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
My little
little girl's been holding this kitten for about half an hour, letting him sleep. What'll happen if you move, Cass?
You wake up.
You gonna stay still?
Yep.
Aww. Have you taught your kids empathy today?
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
Oh my god! Oh, Tox, you're just swimming!